major markets fell again last week, as all 5 indices closed lower. Yet the results were more of a case of one step forward, 2 steps back, as the number of indices saw new all-time intraday highs midweek before retreating into the weekend. The S&P 500 set a new all-time intraday high Thursday as it traded to 4429.97. But the daily gain of 0.42%, which was the best of the week, was not enough to offset the losses that came Friday to dip the index slightly lower for the week. The news came quickly last week as over 1,000 companies reported their quarterly earnings. Some of the biggest names within the S&P 500 like Apple, Microsoft, Google, Facebook, and Amazon reported last week with generally positive results. However, the year-over-year results and deceleration in growth, while still generally positive, has been tempered compared to recent quarters. Last week's economic calendar revealed another mixed outlook for the economy. The week began with a drop in new home sales as rising home prices have weighed on the market. Tuesday's durable goods orders reading of 0.8% missed expectations and fell substantially from the prior reading of 3.2%. Yet consumer confidence rose unexpectedly to a 16-month high. The lukewarm economic results gave some cover for Fed Chairman Jerome Powell during his comments midweek regarding the state of the economy in the face of the pandemic and rising inflation. In his post-meeting press conference, Powell said, "As the reopening continues, bottlenecks, hiring difficulties, and other constraints could continue to limit how quickly supply can adjust, raising the possibilities that inflation could turn out to be higher and more persistent than we expect." The week was punctuated with reports of new mask mandates throughout the country in what has become possibly the most visible and politically charged sign of government restrictions in the handling of the coronavirus. In the end, the subdued economic results, mixed with governors and various major municipalities issuing fresh restrictions due to the fears of the Delta variant of the coronavirus, removed some of the positive market sentiment as the week came to a close.